Hello all, welcome to Know Your Medicine, an initiative by Library, your personalized health companion. In this video, we are going to discuss about Manforce 50 mg tablet. We will be discussing elements like why it is used, to whom it is prescribed, its consumption and various side effects. Before starting with the theory, let me tell you a brief about this tablet. Manforce tablet is a prescription tablet used mainly in men to treat the sexual problem of erectile dysfunction. The tablet also helps in the treatment of pulmonary arterial hypertension, which increases the exercising capacity in both men and women. This tablet is mainly taken by men suffering from impotence or are unable to keep or get an erection. The tablet is a phosphodiesterase type 5 inhibitor that relaxes and dilates the blood vessels. This results in the increase of the cyclic guanosine monophosphate, which relaxes the smooth muscles and increases the flow of blood. This medication is generally prescribed during erectile dysfunction and pulmonary arterial hypertension. Some of the side effects of this medication are dizziness, headache, prolonged or painful erection, and urine problems. Consultation of the doctor is advised if any adversity is observed. The dosage depends on the purpose you are taking the tablet for, and it is mandatory that you stick to the prescribed dosages. Patients taking the medicine for pulmonary arterial hypertension should consume it twice a day, as the duration of the effect lasts for 4 to 6 hours on average. Warning: please do not take this medication without consulting your physician.